Today in the hack lab, I'm Ryan and I've been hacking things my whole life. Today, we're gonna make dust masks in the hack lab. So I finally got that door to work. It took me around 6 months. I'm gonna have a making of soon, but it was finally this switch. This hose here was the critical component to get that door to pop open and then return back to the hack lab. I'm very encouraged. So this episode is about making masks. I do make t-shirts. I made this t-shirt. If you go to hacklab.design, I have a bunch of shirts. I primarily make shirts for geeks, engineers, scientists, programmers, and engineers. Did I say that? I said that. But people that just love making things and make stuff during the day, but they also want to make it at night. So all of the money I'm trying to raise materials to make masks for people. Right now I'm making over 100 masks for my friend's wife who's a nurse. They're required to wear a mask over an existing mask, and somehow using a mask like this, it's a little bit more difficult because I have glasses on. This is a little elastic, but putting a mask over like this is a little bit different than that clinical look. So if you want to cover up your mask, you can use any material that you want. So the first thing that I did was create the design in Illustrator. I basically drew the shape out. I knew that this string area would be a little bit difficult to get around my ears based on the material that I have been using. My most successful material that I've made is using the material, I think it is a nylon. It was extremely comfortable. I use my daughter's Lululemon pants. I hope she doesn't find out. She's gone to college and I took her Lululemon pants and I chopped up the Lululemon pants and I cut the Lululemon pants, most likely the buttocks area. So that's how it was. I can order new material like that, but right now with shipping delays, it's really hard to get them. The way that I'm creating them after that I made the design in Illustrator is I'm putting the material down on the laser bed and I'm using 4 very strong magnets to hold down the material. By using thicker material that's a little bit heavier than t-shirt material, I am able to cut these out relatively quickly. Now it takes about 1.5 minutes to cut them out, but I have to prep the material and some other things. I would like to make a difference to the people that need masks, so please email me hacklablive@gmail.com. hacklablive@gmail.com. It is in the description below. So it takes about 1.5 minutes, and as soon as they're done, you can put these masks on and drop them down and go to the supermarket. And if you're coughing, if you're sick, please don't go to the supermarket. This does not protect you against any medical illness, as you could tell from the disclaimer at the beginning of this video, but it certainly could make you feel more comfortable. And if you use the right material, you may protect yourself from coughing on someone else. I suggest you hide that clinical mask that everyone's wearing. You look like you're about to do surgery, all right? So I want to show you a couple masks that I ordered prior to this making this video. These masks are not available anymore. I have 2 masks to show you. I have this mask that's done by Western Safety, and this thing has got removable filters that are inside of it, and it has a particulate cartridge right here, and it has a little metal part at the top. I certainly could add that metal part to this design at the top, but I have no idea why I have a piece of duct tape on my finger. But this thing works as is. I just put any material inside the laser cutter and it just really works. All right, so that's the first one. I find that all these cords and stuff, I don't know what they are, to be difficult to use. So this goes around here like this goes around here like this, and that goes down. Okay, so that's that. That's a Western safety. I just bought this for woodworking way before. All right, now let's take a look at my favorite. Again, this is an RZ mask. An RZ mask comes with filters like this already in replaceable filters. Now this is a little bit more of my favorite mask, and it looks extremely like the same exact shape. I think I have a bunch of sawdust from previous projects. So I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to go to the grocery store and I'm going to buy toilet paper. All right, so anyways, the file is down below. If you can use it to help anyone, great. And let me know if you need a mask cut out, especially if you're in the North Carolina area. I can help out. I would love to be able to make a difference right now and just make something that connects someone or make something that helps someone. Just let me know how I can help. If you need a tutorial or if you have any ideas for videos for my hackLAB show, please let me know. I love you. I hope that you're doing well. I hope that you're staying safe. You're washing your hands. You're not touching doorknobs and all that other stuff. It is going to get better. Have hope. Just stay calm. Take it day by day. I'm personally taking it 3 weeks by 3 weeks because I need more time than a day. But anyways, I love you. Take care. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Peace out.